Welcome to Investing 101, Episode 8, Retirement Accounts. Introduction to retirement accounts and their tax advantages. Retirement accounts offer tax advantages. The government wants you to save for retirement, so it rewards you with tax breaks. Let's explore the main types. Understanding the 401k. Your employer-sponsored retirement account A. 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement account. Your employer offers it as a benefit. You contribute pre-tax money. This reduces your taxable income. For example, if you earn $60,000 and contribute $10,000 to a 401k, you pay taxes on $50,000. Many employers match contributions. If you contribute 3%, they contribute 3%. This is free money. Always contribute enough to get the full match. Money grows tax-free inside the account. You do not pay taxes on gains until withdrawal. You can withdraw at age 59 and a half without penalty. Before that, you pay a 10% penalty plus taxes. The 2024 contribution limit is $23,500 annually. Exploring the traditional IRA. Open your own retirement account. An IRA is an individual retirement account. You open it yourself, not through an employer. A traditional IRA works like a 401k. Contributions are pre-tax. Money grows tax-free. You pay taxes on withdrawals. You can withdraw at age 59 and a half without penalty. The 2024 contribution limit is $7,000 annually. Traditional IRAs are good if your employer does not offer a 401k. Explaining the Roth IRA, tax-free growth for life after work. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account you open independently, not through an employer. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax money. Your money grows tax-free and you do not pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. You can withdraw at age 59 and a half without penalty. The 2024 contribution limit is $7,000 annually. Roth IRAs are beneficial if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Introducing the HSA, a powerful health and retirement savings tool. An HSA is a health savings account. It is triple tax advantaged. Contributions are made with pre-tax dollars. Growth is tax-free. Withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. You must have a high-deductible health plan to open an HSA. The 2024 contribution limit is $4,150 for individuals. HSAs are underutilized. Many people use them only for current medical expenses. However, you can invest HSA money and let it grow. It is essentially a retirement account disguised as a medical account. After age 65, you can withdraw for any reason. You pay taxes on non-medical withdrawals, but no penalty. How to prioritize your retirement contributions for maximum benefits. Start by contributing to your 401k up to the employer match. Next, max out your Roth IRA at $7,000. Then, max out your HSA if available up to $4,150. Return to your 401k for contributions beyond any employer match. Finally, invest in taxable accounts. This order maximizes tax advantages. Final thoughts on retirement accounts. Retirement accounts are tax advantaged. Use them. Next, we will summarize everything and create your action plan. See you then.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links below to start investing today.